Hello everyone, today I'm gonna introduce our Listen Mobility's joystick. You can now using, and let's say when you are using, you spill out accidentally water or coffee or tea. You don't need to worry because you can easily clean out with tissue and there's not happening any problem. We recommend to clean out with tissue because don't put any water inside in it. And let's say it's still working, you can see here. Let's say you cannot use your right hand or you are left-handed, you can easily put a joystick to right here. So when you disconnect your cable here, you can easily just take out this and yes, right here you can easily connect here. Yes, now you can use with your left hand.